Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Design Pickle. Design Pickle is number one trusted production design partner where you can get quality custom design bandwidth powered by the world's best artists and technology. As well as also brands worldwide, it helps to give you increase for your design workflow efficiency by 30% with creative automations and integration. You can explore ways to streamline creative workflows to increase design output and drive efficiency with new native apps like MS Teams, AP version 2, Zapier integration. It's also introducing white label with the first to customize your design experience with your brand front and center available now. It also helps to simplify the way your design work gets done. Design Pickle is an all-in-one platform with a built-in global design workforce, trailblazing the path to easier, faster, and more efficient creativity, I would say. So you can create, you have the all-in-one solution built specifically to simplify the creative process, manage design files, integrate with your existing workflow, and communicate to designers in one place. Designers on demand. So Design Pickle's easy to use interactive software simplifies the convoluted creative ecosystem of hiring for graphic design services, helping you save time and speed up your creative content output. Get a flash rate design. You can supercharge your creative output, unlimited graphic design, custom illustration, presentation design, and motion graphics. No surprise fees, no contrast, no brainer. The case study you can try. If you can imagine it, then Design Pickle can design it. Presentation designs, custom illustrations, motion graphics, graphic design. You can see more design samples here. So how does it work? One, you submit your request. So the AI-powered request form makes creative briefs a breeze. From built-in stock libraries to customized brand guides, you provide direction on your vision all in one place. Then your designer gets to work. They assign, that is Design Pickle assigns work immediately based on the requirements in your project and just same day turnaround on certain projects with some plans. You also get a design that's doorstep. And if it's not perfect, no problem. The platform makes revision feedback simple and concise. Plus, all of the plans include unlimited revisions and access to all source files. You can also keep all your current marketing tools. Solution works with what you already have. So if you prefer to keep your own ecosystem, no problem. Design Pickle offers integration options to facilitate your process and expedite your output. It has trending graphic design topics. You can see them here. Check them out. So let Design Pickle supercharge your design process. If you have any unanswered questions, book a live demo to get a wide glove walkthrough of the process and the platform. You can book a consultation here. So what are you waiting for? Register now and get to work.